Okay, so I should be recording. Welcome to my channel. Well, it's a girl, a game, and a goal. And again, the girl is me. The game is hidden in this box. The goal is to show you what I bought from Boardlandia. So this was a website mentioned to me by a friend who lives in Wisconsin. It is a local game store to her, and they have a on-site presence and they have a YouTube presence as well. I'll try to link that information in the description. These were not sponsored. These I purchased all on my own. The purchasing continues even though the pandemic is limiting the amount of playtime and interactivity. But games come out, you hear reviews, you gotta have them. And so, falling into the trap of you gotta buy them. So I'm just gonna share a little bit of what I got with you guys. And so you see the box, and I'm going to put the box down since it is being opened for the first time here. I'm gonna take it out my way. You'll see me dip down to grab something. Let's see, how does that look? It doesn't look too bad. Maybe I should put it on top of something. Yes. I'm gonna elevate it a little bit. Oh my goodness. I make it sound like it's so heavy. Alright. I know it's been a while since I had a board game video. I know I was thinking of doing, well, I didn't think. I actually tried to start a couple of series, but just life. So it didn't take off as much as I want. I still want to try to get back to one of those things, mainly the remote gaming, because I think that it has helped me stay sane during the pandemic, and it is something that I thoroughly enjoy. And I even have a Twitch channel where I was trying to get that up and going and just reach people, build community. And so I'll put all that in the description below, and maybe that I've shared it will motivate me to get my butt back online. So, alright. Not sure if many of these things would be able to be part of that series, which was Play With Me From Afar. Oops, let me lower that before I get demonetized. I'm not even monetized. How many subscribers do I have? I don't even know. I just don't understand how these channels get so big. Is it because they post like all the time, or they just got found by another big YouTuber who's like throwing them love and shit and stuff? Almost cursed. Anyway, alright, so here's the first one. Oh, I just realized how dark it is. Let me fix that. There we go. Much better. Woo. The camera needs to refocus. The other thing is, like, I wanted to try was to like do these videos relatively short and not have a ton of editing, because I think that that's also hindering me. It's just live and real. So I have this new setup where you can see me, I can talk to you. Hopefully I don't forget and just focus down here and I pop up and say hi. But anyway, Letter Jam. It's a cooperative board game. I don't know if this really can work remotely, but I like word games. So even though this has gotten some shade from a couple of YouTubers that I watch, it still piqued my interest. So hi, texting me, but it's real life. So I got this one. So this is the first thing that's in here. From the back, looks and sounds like there, well, you can see chips, little stands, and cards. So it's from Czech Games Edition, 2 to 6 people, about 10 minutes, which is awesome. It tells you everything that's in here, and deduction, teamwork, and guess letters from clues that they give you. So maybe I guess this is kind of like also if you're in that at that frame of mind where, or that point of the pandemic where you can feel comfortable being in the same room and socially distance, perfect, because the pieces are staying in front of you. You don't have to interact and like get closer to each other, and you can have that distancing around the table. So that's my first one. I'm gonna put that guy over here. Again, I don't want to look, but I'm gonna have to look because, you know, somebody's trying to find me. Let's see here. Good morning. Okay, so this is where we want to do the editing, right? Because why do you want to watch me text? But this is real life. So basically, I'm a teacher, and other teachers are reaching out to me about things, doing the remoteness of it all. And I need to respond so we can plan. So what do you guys do? What do you guys do remotely? Anyway, hopefully that should be it. I won't pay attention to the next one. Plus my breakfast is like sitting right here. This is like crack of dawn. So the hair is barely brushed. The makeup is not there. Alright, next thing here is Dixit. This is mirrors. I'm pretty sure this came out in, what is the date on this? Now it's small because this is an expansion, and oh, here it goes. Made in Germany in 2020. So I am a big Dixit fan. I have like every single expansion, and although people hate, some people I know don't like Dixit at all. They find it hard, and it can be a hard game to play if you don't have people who feel comfortable in explaining or being creative in what they're looking at. That could be like what's it called, anxiety boosting. But the cards are beautiful, and I am a somewhat completionist when it comes to board games. So therefore I have everything, and then I saw that this had just come out, and I was like, oh, I have to grab it. So, and then I want to go back now and double check that I didn't miss one since the last time that I bought something, which seems so far away, but maybe not. I mean, I don't think they came out one every year, so. But Dixit, it's usually a 3 to 6 person game, 8 years old or more. I actually have the one that came out. Oh wow, I forgot which one it was, but one of them plays up to 12 people. So you get boards with all the colors and little tokens in order to do the voting. It's awesome, especially when you have larger groups. So that was Dixit. Oh, and I didn't know, but Mirrors is this version. Oh, now let's see what else I got here. Alright, this is the fourth one. I am into puzzle games. This is a 1+ player. I'm kind of wanting to get solo games, but then I don't get them to the table. And there's another question. But this one I actually printed out as a print and, I think it was a print and play. I might have even paid for the print and play, but it is ink heavy, or maybe it's a different game. Oh, I don't know. No, I think it's the same game. Ooh, I'm having a ball. 1 to plus players, 30 minutes, ages 8 and above. And I mean, you have these gems. I mean, it's like they're so, the unicorns. I mean, the imagery is so pretty, and I just had to get it. So I'm thinking I could just like chill one day on stream, play it by myself on Twitch. People could join the chat, give me some advice, and you know, we build a community, talk about all kinds of things besides board gaming when you're in your Twitch chats. And so Cristiano, anyway, so pretty. And the gems look like, you know, those plastic gems, but they're big, and the colors are nice and vibrant and shiny. Alright, so that was number 3. And I think that was it. I think it was just yeah, it was just 4. So this is the other one. Excuse me. This is the, oh, it's got the paper. Is that an omen that we should open it? Anthium, the Mystic Library. Now, I've also bought Ex Libris, which has a library feel. Now, this has to be 2 to 5 players, so 5 is a good amount of people. 30 to 45 minutes and older. I really liked this library. I love books. I don't read as much as I would like to. Not that that has anything to do with this. And I'm big into like watching anything like, I'm not a mystical whatever. You know, I don't walk around with crystals and this and whatever. But anything that has witches and fairies and goblins and, you know, creatures of that nature, I am so like on it to watch the show. And depend on where they go with the direction of like the plots and stuff like that, I may or may not stay with the show. But it attracts me, so I thought that this would be cool. I saw this also through another website that was doing reviews, and it intrigued me. I think that was Tantrum House. I'm not sure the ladies were talking about this, but it's so pretty, so I decided to get this. And that's it. That's my haul. So I wish that this. I wonder if it has a single player variant. So yeah. So if I decide, see, I don't know. It's like I feel like I want to unbox and then try to play, but sometimes the rules can be really involved. So I don't know what I'm gonna do next. This is just an unboxing to see what I have. In terms of what I ordered. If you guys want to see components, let me know in the comments. Like I have so many people watching, but you can drop by and say hi. So this was the fourth and the final, and that was from my most recent order, which wasn't too long ago. The shipping from them has been pretty good. I was actually looking for Calico and New York Zoo, because I'm huge into like puzzly games. So I will be checking their website again, because their prices seem to be pretty good, comparatively speaking, to places like Miniature Mart and Cool Stuff, you know, these bigger name websites. But they are a friendly local game store, so I thought I would throw some money that way. You know, I am still always going to look for the best deal, as most of us are. We're in a pandemic and we have to feed our souls and feed our games and feed our hobbies, but also need money to feed ourselves and our families. But anyway, so I want to thank you for dropping by, and I hope that you subscribe maybe and come and visit me again. And down below there's going to be their links and links to my other channels, because I also do crafting, and I have like a little crazy vlog that I started. So au natural, me and my shenanigans. So I don't know if that's a good idea to kind of have 3 channels going, but I'm trying. It's got to be something to help me keep myself sane. So until next time, you know, play games, because, you know, gaming is not a spectator sport. You gotta grab those dice and you gotta play. So bye.